Hello everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on setting up smoke and flame detection in GVA iGuard. Setting up flame and smoke detection. From the GVA iGuard dashboard, go to the toolbar. Next, click on Configure. Then, select Video Process. A pop-up window will appear with a list of cameras. Now, click on the IVAs tab. From the drop-down menu, select Smoke and Flame Detection. Now, in the camera list, select the camera you want to set up for detection. Next, go to Settings. Here, you can configure the detection settings. First, if you want to select a specific detection area, you can do so by adjusting the red dots in the Preview section. However, for this setup, we'll keep the detection area as the full screen to detect both flame and smoke. You can change the detection to fire only or smoke only from here. For now, we'll set it to detect both fire and smoke. You can adjust the sensitivity from 1 to 5. Here, we're setting it to 3. The higher the value, the more sensitive the detection will be. You can also set the detection confidence value for different objects, ranging from 1 to 95. The higher the confidence value, the more precise and stricter the system will be in detecting events. We'll keep the smoke detection confidence value and sensitivity at their default settings. You can configure the detection area settings by right-clicking on the Live View screen. Then, click on Edit. From here, you can set an ID for the detection area. From here, you can decide if the detection should be triggered when the fire and smoke reach the detection area, or only if the fire is in the center of the area. Here, I'm setting it to touch, meaning the detection will trigger as soon as the fire and smoke touch the detection area. The duration is set to 3 seconds. Meaning the fire and smoke must be visible for at least 3 seconds before being detected. You can also set the alarm time. Additionally, you can add an I/O box to trigger the alarm by flame or smoke. From here, you can select a custom audio file for the alarm. You can also send notifications via Line, Telegram, and email. After tweaking the settings, click OK to save them. Now, let's perform a confidence check with our environment. Yes, our configuration is working well and detecting both flame and smoke. Now, stop the confidence test and close the window. Let's start monitoring and see GVA iGuard in action. Yes, GVA iGuard is successfully detecting both flame and smoke. Viewing flame and smoke detection event logs. Let's check the AI event log to review the flame and smoke detection events. Go to the toolbar, then select Tools. Next, click on System Log. Finally, click on the AI event table. In the AI event table, you can see all of the detected events by GVA iGuard, along with the corresponding date and time. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.